Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably dealing with a corrupted Excel file. Maybe it won't open, or it's showing an error. No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to recover or repair your corrupted Excel file. Let's get started. The first method is using Excel's built-in repair tool. Open the Excel app. Click Open. Click Browse. Navigate to the corrupted Excel file. Select the file. Then click the inverted triangle next to the Open button. Select Open and Repair. Click Repair. This may sometimes repair your corrupted file and open it. If this doesn't work, the second method is to change the file type. First, ensure that file name extensions are displayed. Then right-click on the corrupted Excel file. Select Rename. Change the file extension to XLS. Then, try reopening the file to see if it works. If none of these methods work, the third method is to use iSumsoft Corfixer. This is a powerful repair tool that can quickly and effectively repair corrupted photos, videos, Excel files, and more. Download and install the software on your computer. I've included the link in the description below. Then launch the software. Select File Repair on the left. Click Add File to add your corrupted Excel file. Finally, click Repair. The repair was successful. Then save the repaired file. You can now open the Excel file without any issues. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. See you in the next one.